This video is a description of our mapping SwitchBlade-Elite and how to set it up. This video covers our standard offering with the indefinite flight package. Our cases have gas shocks in them that will hold the lid open for you. And then starting from the top left, we have the HereLink transmitter, then a cable box housing the cables for your B6AC charger and your SD1 charger, and then the B6AC itself next to that. The indefinite flight package comes with 3 batteries and the SD1 charger right below it. And then on the bottom left of the case, we have a power cable for the SD1 charger. Behind the lid foam, we have the manuals for both chargers, the transmitter, and the switchblade itself. Then underneath each battery, we have 3 rubber band colors. One for if the battery is charged, which is green, storage charged is blue, and then if it needs to be charged, it is red. To set up the drone, first we're going to pull the red pull pin to pull out the right arm, then the pull pin to pull out the left arm, and then we're going to carefully put down the retracts, which we recommend you to power the drone and use the transmitter to put the retracts down, but we understand that you can't always do that. Straighten out your props and make sure that the tension on them is good. If the tension is loose, they'll need to be tightened. Put up the GPS mast. Power on your transmitter. Then we're going to grab a battery, going to remove the rubber band, take off the connector cover, place it in the drone so that the drone is balanced. You don't want it too far forward or too far back. Tighten down the strap. Power the drone. Then leave the drone so that the IMU can calibrate. Pay attention to the noises of the drone here. Once it stops blinking red and blue, it's ready to go. Tuck your power wires away, and then turn the camera on. And the switchblade is ready to go.